Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build brand kits for multiple clients in Canva Pro the right way in 2026. If you manage designs for different clients, brands, or businesses, using brand kits correctly can save you hours of work and keep everything perfectly consistent. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into a Canva Pro account because brand kits are only available for Pro users. Once you're inside Canva, look at the left side menu and click on Brand. Here, you'll see the option to create a brand kit. Each brand kit is basically a complete identity system for one client. That means logos, brand colors, fonts, and even brand voice elements can live in one place. Now, for each client, create a separate brand kit. Give it a clear name like the client's business name or project name. Yeah, this makes it much easier to manage multiple clients without confusion. Next, upload the client's logos. You can add primary logos, secondary logos, icon versions, or watermark logos. Once uploaded, Canva automatically makes these logos available across all designs. After that, add brand colors. You can manually enter hex color codes or use Canva's color picker. This step is extremely important because it ensures every design stays on brand every single time. Now let's talk about fonts. In Canva Pro, you can upload custom fonts or select from Canva's font library. Assign a heading font, subheading font, and body font based on the client's brand guidelines. Yeah, once this is set, you never have to guess fonts again. If you're working with multiple team members, brand kits become even more powerful. Everyone uses the same logos, colors, and fonts automatically, which eliminates mistakes and inconsistencies. When you start a new design, simply choose the correct brand kit from the brand panel. Canva instantly applies the brand colors and fonts to your design. This makes designing for multiple clients fast, clean, and professional. You can also update a brand kit anytime. If a client changes their logo or color palette, just update it once, and the new assets are ready for future designs. For agencies and freelancers, this workflow is a game changer. It helps you stay organized, look professional, and scale your design work without stress. So yeah, that's how you build and manage brand kits for multiple clients in Canva Pro in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more Canva and design tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.